Hello dear childrens, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. So today welcome to Geography Contemporary India 1 Chapter 4 Climate. In this chapter with the title you will feel climate. Climate is something we know already. What is there to learn about the climate? We have been learning it from our childhood. But at this grade, ninth grade, a topic like climate would be something more deeper that you have learned till now. So we have 4 sessions of this. It is such a vast chapter and the topic climate sounds to be very small, but we will learn more about it in all the 4 sessions. So let's start with session 1. The term climate is the sum total of the weather conditions including variations over a large area for a long period of time, more than 30 years. The term weather refers to the state of the atmosphere at a place and time with reference to the following elements: temperature, humidity, air pressure, cloudiness or sunshine, precipitation, that is rainfall or snowfall, wind. The weather conditions fluctuate very often within a day based on the generalized monthly atmospheric condition. The year is divided into seasons such as winter, summer and rainy season. The world is divided into number of climate regions. In Asia, India and other south and southeastern countries have monsoon type of climate. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mausim, which literally means season. Monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction during a year. Regional climatic variation in India. Although there is an overall unity in the general climatic pattern in India, there are some perceptible regional variations. Temperature in the winter in northwest mountainous regions can go down to minus 45 degrees Celsius at Dras in Jammu and Kashmir, while it is 22 degrees Celsius in Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. Similarly, it can go up to the 50 degrees Celsius in summer in some parts of western Rajasthan and 20 degrees Celsius in Shillong. In many years, there is a wind variation between day and night temperatures. In the Thar desert, the day temperature may rise up to 50 degrees Celsius and drop down to near 15 degrees Celsius the same night. On the other hand, there is hardly any difference in day and night temperatures in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands or in Kerala. Precipitation. What is precipitation? There is a wide variation observed in the amount and seasonal distribution. Precipitation is in the form of snowfall, occurs only in upper parts of Himalayas. The rest of the country receives rainfall. A typical example, the annual precipitation varies from over 400 centimeters in Meghalaya to less than 10 centimeters in Ladakh and western Rajasthan. Similarly, most parts of the country receive rainfall from June to September, but the Tamil Nadu coast gets most of its rain during October and November. Coastal regions experience different weather conditions from the interior regions. For example, temperature and seasonal contrast are relatively mild. The rainfall also decreases when east to west. Such differences help to create a variety in life of people. The food they eat, the clothes they wear, the kind of houses they use for living and so on. Climatic controls. Permanent factors which govern the general nature of the climate of any location on the earth are called factors of climatic controls. The factors of climatic controls are m. latitude, the angular distance of a location from the equator in north-south direction is called latitude. Due to the curvature of the earth, Latitude changes the amount of solar energy received. As a result, air temperature decreases from the equator towards the pole. Altitude, it refers to the height above mean sea level. With increase of height from the Earth's surface, the temperature decreases and the air becomes less dense. Therefore, hilly regions are cooler in summer. Pressure and wind system, it depends on the latitude and altitude of a place. Thus, it influences the temperature and rainfall pattern of the area. Continentality or distance from the sea. The sea exerts a moderating influence on the climate. As the distance from the sea increases, the weather conditions become more extreme. High temperature and rainfall variation between seasons. Ocean currents along with onshore winds, the ocean currents, warm or cold, affect the climate of coastal areas. For example, cold onshore currents bring coldness in coastal areas. Relief features: high mountains stop cold or hot winds from reaching a location. It can also cause rain or snow if the place is on the windward side of the mountain. The leeward side of the mountain are factors affecting India's climate. Latitude. The Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 degree 3 CV north, divides the country into the tropical zone. Some of this line, the subtropical zone north of this line. The line runs from the Run of Kutch west to the Mizoram east. All the remaining areas north of tropic lies in the subtropics. So India's climate has characteristics of tropical as well as subtropical climates. Altitude. Mountains in the north of India have an average elevation of about 6,000 meters, whereas on the coastal areas as well as islands, maximum elevation is about 30 meters. The Indian subcontinent experiences milder winter as compared to the Central Asia because of the Himalayas, which prevent the cold winds from entering the subcontinent. Pressure and winds. The following atmospheric conditions govern the climate and associated weather condition in India: pressure and surface wind, upper air circulation, western cyclonic disturbances, and tropical cyclones. Pressure and surface wind. India lies in the region of northern easterly surface winds. These winds originate during winter from the subtropical high pressure belt on the northern hemisphere. Hence, winds blow south and get deflected to the right due to the Coriolis force and move towards the equilateral low pressure region. These winds originate and blow over land and hence carry very little moisture. Therefore, they bring no rain or very little rain. The unique feature of Indian pressure and wind condition is its complete reversal. During winter, high pressure areas develop over the areas north of Himalayas. This causes cold, dry winds blow from the area towards the low pressure area over the oceans to the south. In summer, due to the high temperature, the low pressure area develops over interior Asia and over northwestern India. Air from high pressure areas blow towards the region, resulting in complete reversal of wind direction. As these winds from high pressure area of southern Indian Ocean crosses the equator and turns right towards low pressure area of Indian subcontinent. These winds gather large moisture while moving over the warm ocean and bring windspread rainfall over the mainland of India. These winds are known as the southwest monsoon winds. Upper air circulation and western cyclonic disturbances. The upper air circulation of the region, Indian subcontinent, is dominated by a westerly flow which is governed by jet stream due to their location over 27 degree to 30 degree 30° north latitude. These jet streams are known as subtropical westerly jet streams. They blow south of the Himalayas throughout the year except in summer. This is where we end with the session 1. So see you in the second session. But before this, I would advise as usual to read the textbook, underline the hard words, write them in your notebook, listen to the video carefully. You also yourself read the slides carefully so that you understand it much better. So see you in the second session. Bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Take care of yourself.